Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mine website where you can mine Tron TRX very easily and freely. First of all, you can see here I have 4.1755 Tron TRX in my account right now. Come to my first account, and here I am going to copy my wallet address to take withdraw from this website. Click on withdraw option, and here we need to enter our Tron TRX wallet address. Then we have to enter our required amount to take withdraw from this website. Click on next option now, and you can see that it will pay us immediately without any hesitation, without any obstacle. Close this and log out, and welcome back friends. Here I got a new menu website for all of you to mine free Tron TRX from this website. And first of all, you will get 2 TRX for free from this website. Withdrawal, that is very simple. You have to create account and start your mining and take withdraw from here immediately as possible. Now scroll down here, you can see that in just 9 days they paid out about 61,000 TRX from this website. And how much people believe on it and make their deposit to enhance your earnings. Now how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on register option now to create your account in this website. Here you need to enter your full name, then email, then password at 2 places, then fill up the captcha, that is I am not a robot. Click on register now. You can create your account in this website through this way very easily and freely. I have already account now. I am going to log in. I will further teach you everything about this mining platform, earning platform. Now after create your account and log in this website, this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see here, would you like to earn free TRX power valid for 7 days? You have to click on get reward option, and you can see that it's starting. You will get free TRX power after every 5 minutes from this website. Now my hash rate power, you can see here how much benefit I got from here. Rewards, you can see per day earning and per day mining. You can check each and everything. Now if you have amount to make deposit here, how can you make boy hash rate power? You have to click on boy hash rate power, and here you can see you can minimum deposit here 15 TRX. Now if you can deposit here 15 TRX, then you will get 1.05 daily earn from this website, and daily total return 31.5050 TRX, and in your period will work for 30 days, and hash amount you will get 15. Click on next option now, and you can see that here you go to Tron TRX wallet. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here exact amount of 15 TRX within 29 minutes to be able to increase your money speed in this website to get a lot of benefit from here. Now if you can't do all these things, now we have another further option, that is referral program. Here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If you invite 20 friends, then you will get 12 TRX power for which is valid for 30 days and get bonus. When you have that 20 TRX completed, then you have to click on get bonus now to get a lot of benefit from this website. Now here you can see recent withdrawal from this website and how much deposit made by people from here. And you can see here you will get 1.83 TRX from here. That is very free. Then you have to make deposit here. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video.